Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Bing Ads, and that is how to implement conversion tracking directly through the Shopify backend. And as you know, I have read some comment in my YouTube video as I'm regularly checking my comments, and one viewer have told me to create a video in which they want direct conversion directly from the Shopify backend to Bing Ads accounts. So in today's video I will discuss and give you a proper brief about how you can do it at your end, and with the help of that you can track accurate conversion data and your feeds will be working properly. So first of all, you just need to go to your Bing Ads account, as I've already opened my Bing Ads account here. So you just need to open your Bing Ads account and your Shopify backend on the same tab as my this is my ID, like Gmail ID, and in this particular ID I have opened the Bing Ads account as well, and on this account I have already access of my Shopify backend as well. So make sure both of the account will be open on the same like Gmail or the Google Chrome which you are using, so that you can easily integrate everything and there will be no interruption in it. So make sure you can do it as well. So now first of all, our work start with Shopify backend, not Google Ads account. Here we just check like whether our tracking and feeds are working properly or not. So first of all, you just need to go to your Shopify backend and click on the app section. If you are already aware about the app section, there are multiple apps which you can use in the Shopify to create feeds, to build websites. So there are many apps which you are using right now. So just click on the apps button, and then you just need to search for, as I have already already installed the feed API for Bing Shopping MS. So you just need to open it and install that app at your end as well. After that, as I've already installed it, so I don't need to install it now. But if you haven't installed it, you need to install it in your Shopify backend, and then you just need to click on it. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to the dashboard where everything is managed. Basically the shopping feed, as you can see, the products are already submitted and they have like submitted or eligible state. So you don't need to worry about that, because everything will be set up through this particular account. So for the tracking, as I've already installed the app, once you will install it, you will get the option here to create tags for your conversion tracking. And once you will let me show you how that option will showcase to you. Yes, as first option you will get this, and then this option will showcase to you setup primary market setup, then Bing shopping setting. I have already done it, so I'm just giving you overview how you can do it. So this is the first option which you will get when you install the app and proceed with it. After that, in the tracking setting tab, once you click on it, in the tracking setting tab, you will have the options to set up the Shopify conversion tracking, checkout, add to cart. And once you connected with it, once you connect with your Bing Ads account, here you just need to put your email on which your Bing Ads account is created. After that, you need to select add account and then merchant center, as I have already created the merchant center. So everything is already done here. We don't need to do anything, because yes, but if you are new to it, you just need to add all these details. After that, in the tracking setup option, you will get that option of creating tags, and when you will continue, click continue, and once you will go to the last option, after that once you go to the last option, after that you will get everything, and then the tags will be automatically, the conversion tags which we have created right now automatically create 3 conversion action, like conversion goals, in the conversion goal option of the Bing Ads account. And as you can see, Shopify checkout complete event tracking. This is basically for the shopping purchase. If somebody purchase from our ads, or showing like if somebody see our ads and click on that and then make a purchase, it will be count here. And if somebody add to cart that, begin checkout, so everything will be done here. So you don't need to worry about that. Your tracking will be fine with the help of this particular app. And one thing I just want to let you know, that this app has a subscription of $8 per month. So I will recommend you need to have that subscription, because if you do it manually, you can't get the accurate data and the feed will be disapproved as well. So make sure you will get this and you will use this particular app for creating conversion track and making feeds. And after that you will get all the data here. As right now it's going in the pending stage because I have again choose it. So do it at your end, and if you have any query or concern regarding that, you can definitely let me know through the number flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video.